Hello, my dear friends. I'm so happy to have you with me again for another painting on a black canvas. In this artwork, we're creating a quiet winter sunset, a peaceful scene where warm golden light meets cold snow and still water. Tall bare trees stand silently by the lake, and the soft reflection of the setting sun glows gently on the surface of the water, creating a calm and dreamy atmosphere. I begin by covering the top of the black canvas with a blend of white, yellow, and a touch of red to build the soft glow of the sunset sky. As I move downward, I gradually add more yellow and red, letting the colors deepen and warm up, shaping the rich tones of the evening light. I add a small amount of black to this mixture to darken the value, and with gentle tapping motions, I start forming the distant trees. I spread the paint softly across the canvas so the trees remain slightly blurred and atmospheric. Using a thin brush and a darker tone, I carefully paint the tree trunks and delicate branches, working slowly and precisely to keep them elegant and natural. With the same sky colors, I paint the lake below, making the area closest to the sunset more orange and warm, while the rest of the water reflects the softer tones of the sky. This reflection helps bring harmony and balance to the composition. For the snowy ground, I mix white with blue and just a hint of black to keep the snow cool and realistic. Then add a few darker, larger trees in the foreground using a small round brush and diluted dark paint, helping to create depth and a stronger sense of perspective. I softly paint the reflection of the trees in the water, keeping it loose and slightly blurred. Light highlights are added on the snow, especially in the foreground, to show the gentle rises and dips of the snowy surface. I even touch the snow with a bit of the sunset's warm color to reflect the glowing light. Finally, I paint the setting sun itself and enhance its reflection on the water with brighter, more luminous strokes, making the scene feel alive and glowing. Few winter bushes and dry branches placed in the foreground add the final touch, increasing depth and completing the story of the painting. Thank you so much for painting along with me. I hope you enjoyed this calm winter moment. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and support the channel. Until our next painting, see you soon.